Hello everyone. Today I am in the valley. This is the second time I ever came here. A friend of mine, he has an open house here, so invited me to come and see the villas. Actually, he said, "Come, I want to surprise you." So I am going to be surprised. And this is the main entrance. So the cluster is Fam Garden. These were the standalone villas that they built in the valley. Yeah, valley is a bit far away, especially for us, but still it's an extremely end user oriented product. And here we go. That is individual, or I would say private entrance for this cluster. Here we go. Hope it will open. Thank you very much. Here we go. So just look at the size of the villas and also, okay, let me put it here, and also the space among them and the community. So it is a brand new community just been handed over. As I said, I'm not selling here as of now, but I just came here to see the extension and renovation possibility with my friend who is trying to sell few villas here. He specializes, and just look at the size and the community. Yeah, I think that's the villa. Found him. Seems a bit crowded here. Yep, over here. So I will park here and then I'm going to show you this villa from inside and see what we can potentially do here. So stay tuned. All right, so just arrived to this villa here in Fam Garden. Well, it's a bit far away in my opinion, but when I have seen the villa, just look at the land. It's just above 9,000 square feet. Just look at the entrance, the plot. So I'll first try to go outside, have a look at the plot, and then we'll go inside and see what we can do potentially. Well, as per my understanding and the calculations that we have done in this community, if you're an end user or a homeowner and you want to do the extension and renovation, it is an incredible product when it comes to, just look at the size of the plot, just look at the scale. It's 9,300 square foot park view, and it's a brand new property. But the best part is here, yeah, we'll just stick here, is you can see this projection that is coming out, this one, yeah. You can extend the glass outside and it will all add up to your living room. Similar this one, similar to that one, the glass upstairs, and also this guest bedroom. But just look at the sheer size of the plot. So if this plot is in Dubai Hills, Golf Place, or Emerald Hills, we have plots around 8,000 to 9,000 square feet, and they are going between 20 to 25 million. Of course, they're on the golf course, but if you're getting this land 30 minutes away from the city and then you create your own oasis at this scale, it is incredible. Now let me take you inside. About to enter inside, that's the garage, the separate access for the driver's room. Here I enter, double height ceiling. Oh yeah, it's an open house, quite a few people. But just look at the double height ceiling. Isn't it incredible? You have a massive living room, but what I actually like about it is the potential to extend this one. That window will stay as it is. I'll extend this one. Over there is the kitchen, bit crowdy, so we'll go over there later. Yeah, that is the guest toilet. And over here we have the guest room, ensuite. Here we go. Guest room. Again, that part can be extended because we have the projection over there. Closet. And this is the sliding window, which I was referring. If you can see, there is a projection out there, so I can extend this and bring it to the bedroom as well. That's the ground floor. And now I will take you to the first floor. Yeah, that's the provision for the elevator. Yeah, from ground until roof. I'll show you the kitchen later. A bit busy over here. Now going upstairs. All right, so it is a 4-bedroom, 5,000 square foot built up area, 9,300 square foot plot area. Upstairs, the moment I entered, have a bedroom, pretty similar to the guest bedroom, ensuite, little bit of closet, balcony, projection, extendable, fair size bedroom. Then, here we go. That's a nice study or a sitting area upstairs, open to below. Bedroom 2, ensuite. We go. Potentially extendable, because I need to see Amar will give me the approval on this one. And going outside. All right, master. The best thing is extension. All right, over here you have the walk-in closet, master bathroom, his and her sink, standalone tub, freestanding tub, walk-in shower, 2 small closet for a villa of this size, extension over here. So I would potentially push this window out, put a door over here to get the access to the balcony, then bring it as a part of the master bedroom to make it bigger. Yeah, you see the doors? I don't know why they have left this wood over here. I would have opened it up. It looks even better and bigger. Gives a grand feeling. So over here, if you see, it's slightly busy with the corridor. So personally, I would suggest I close this part because the grand feeling is coming over here. I'll keep it as it is, but I will close this one. This will give me more utility upstairs. And now I'm going to the second floor or the roof floor, which they are calling it as an office, but I would potentially convert it into a bedroom because it has a bathroom. So it's a full bedroom. You have the outside terrace, super hot outside, full bathroom, and a reasonable size. Reckon 3.5 by 3.5, a small pantry as well, and this door goes to the terrace. So that's it. I still owe you the kitchen. I need to show you that one. That's the entrance to the closed kitchen. Again, access outside, window, relatively smaller, but again, can be repurposed. Over here, you have a small storage. Laundry, that's one. What is this? Yeah, telecom room, electrical DB, maid's room with her own bathroom, and that is the access to the garage. That is Omar. He was supposed to shoot my video, but he never comes. It's electrical room. What do we have here? Most probably storage. Yeah, it is indeed maid's room. So Omar was asking me, how can we do the modification here? And told him I would definitely repurpose this whole area. And if you want to see exactly how I will do it, you need to see my Arabian Ranches video where I'm doing the villa right now. So that's it, Fam Gardens. Incredible layout, good finish, extremely high potential for homeowners and end users.